Welcome back to my channel.
How strong is your biology knowledge? Test yourself with 50 human body questions in just 10 seconds. Ready? Let's go.
Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future challenges. Let's get started.
What is the largest organ? Skin. What part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. What do red blood cells do? Carry oxygen. How many bones are in an adult? 206. Which muscle is strongest? Jaw. What is breaking down food called? Digestion. What organ makes insulin? Pancreas. Where is the humerus bone? Arm. What tube carries air to the lungs? Trachea. What part of the eye sees color? Cones. What is the largest internal organ? Liver. Which blood type is a universal donor? Oh, dash. What is the main job of the kidneys? Filtering blood. What are the tiny air sacs in the lungs? Alveoli. What is part of the central nervous system? Spinal cord. What do white blood cells do? Fight infection. Where is the smallest bone? Ear. What is the main part of a tooth? Dentin. Which heart chamber gets oxygenated blood? Left atrium. What is the patella? Kneecap. What is the voice box called? Larynx. What is the master gland? Pituitary. What does the diaphragm do when you inhale? Moves down. Which is not a liver function? Pumping blood. Which skin layer has nerves and vessels? Dermis. What bone protects the brain? Skull. What is the main job of the large intestine? Absorbing water. What is the liquid part of blood? Plasma. What is the main part of a bone? Calcium. What part of a cell controls its activities? Nucleus. What tube connects the kidney to the bladder? Ureter. Which is not part of the axial skeleton? Femur. What is the collarbone called? Clavicle. Where is the retina? Eye. What type of joint is the elbow? Hinge. Which is the stress hormone? Cortisol. What is the windpipe called? Trachea. Where is the thyroid gland? Neck. What is the body's main energy source? Carbohydrates. What vitamin comes from sunlight? Vitamin D. What are proteins' building blocks? Amino acids. What system makes hormones? Endocrine system. What does the gallbladder do? Stores bile. What do platelets do? Clot blood. What is the longest bone? Femur. Which part of the ear helps you hear? Cochlea. What is the main job of the spleen? Filtering blood. What connects muscle to bone? Tendon. Which is part of the small intestine? Duodenum. What is generating heat called? Metabolism.